Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the Tenergy 120 Pack Alkaline Batteries, a comprehensive power solution for all your household electronics. This super value combo includes 48 Ah, 48 AAA, 8C, 8D, and 8 9-volt batteries, all designed to meet the demands of everyday devices like wireless mouses, keyboards, clocks, flashlights, toys, and remote controllers. With a 1.5 volts alkaline composition, these batteries are engineered for reliability and longevity, featuring an anti-leaking tight seal design and date-coded freshness to ensure they're ready to use straight out of the box or perfect for stocking up for future needs. Remarkably, these batteries hold power for up to 10 years and are built to withstand extreme temperatures ranging from as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit to as high as 129 degrees Fahrenheit, making them incredibly versatile for various environments. Remember, these are one-time use disposable alkaline batteries, so please do not attempt to recharge them. Whether you're powering up your gadgets or preparing for emergencies, the Tenergy 120 pack offers a dependable and long-lasting energy source. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.